Welcome guys, welcome to our channel PA Food Hunt. So
hi guys, how are you?
Today what's the plan for today?
So we are at Between the Buns today and
Thinking of having some
They have
lunch.
some combo offers also.
Yeah. Pass me the menu. I've got it from. So this is some special deals that you can get. This pamphlet from you can get it from Ricky's, I think. They have some franchises over there, so you can get that, and you can grab the coupons from there to reduce the price of the things.
and we gonna grab some lunch today, and it's pretty busy inside, so we're thinking about shooting the review in the car because I think it's school time. That's why it's pretty busy. And there's no sitting space left inside there, so.
And it's snowing outside today.
Yeah, it's
very cold. It's very cold today.
Yesterday it was like a sunny day, but today it's a snowy day. It's hard for me to clean up the car today. But let's
let's go inside and order some food. We'll see you later, guys.
Okay. So guys, we have reached here Between the Buns. Let's go inside and have some lunch.
So guys, we got our food, and first of all Minal have ordered fish and chips. So it's a big chunk of fish with the fries, some ranch dipping, and I think this one is coleslaw. And I have ordered my favorite Indian taco here. It is pretty spicy, but if you wanna go with something different, you can try this. It has a marinated chicken in it, and they have chipotle sauce in it, some lettuce, red onions, and this one now we have is aloo tikki burger with lettuce, onion, and it is aloo tikki is basically it's a potato.
We got this one.
Oh, this one as well. So I've ordered especially first time we are trying this where's the beef burger, but it doesn't include any beef. It is made out of some veggies, so we'll try this as well. So let's see how it goes. And so yeah, this one is also a good selling. I was telling about this one. It is aloo tikki burger. It is a potato filled patty, which is served with some chipotle sauce and I think onions, cucumber, and lettuce. So this one is also my favorite. So I'm trying my first.
So Manik,
bite.
your first bite.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
So, need some tomato ketchup. So juicy. Oh my god.
How's the flavor?
Pretty hot, but taste very good. Very good.
Gosh, your turn.
Okay, so now my turn. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Little
It's
bit
good?
sweet, yeah, but it's nice.
It's nice.
Yeah.
So Minal, are you ready to try your fish and chips?
I think this is the ranch and dill sauce.
Yeah. Ranch and dill?
Yeah.
Dip? Okay.
It also has dill in it.
Okay.
This is coleslaw.
My god, looking nice. Sweet.
First we try the chips.
Yeah. So in UK they call this as the chips.
Yeah.
And
chips.
but here it's just a fries.
Fries.
Yeah. So
Chips are good. Let's try the fish.
oh my god, big chunk, eh?
Look at the fish.
Yeah.
Moist, soft.
Oh. Huge.
full hot.
Hot. Try it with the coleslaw. Nice.
You also put some
Lemon, yeah, lime as well. Filling, eh? Filling, eh?
So Manik, are you ready to try?
We have this. Where's the beef burger? Has mushrooms. It's pretty filled with mushrooms, onions, and the patty is made with, I think, tomato, onion, and other stuff like that. But let me try it. And it has spinach in it, not the lettuce. So let me try it with. Grab one ketchup. Let's see how it goes.
How's it?
I can feel the veggies coming into my mouth. It doesn't feel like beef, but it is good for, like, if you are a vegan or a vegetarian, it's a good meal. You can have it. But I think they have cheese in it.
Oh, caramelized onions.
Wow. Pretty good. Pretty good, I think.
How much you rated out of 10?
I don't think 7 out of 10.
7?
That
Okay.
should be okay for this. But it is pretty heavy.
Yep.
So, how's the Josh
Well,
brothers?
Yeah.
Let's talk about my fish and chips. Fish and chips was good. I give it a solid 6.5 out of 10. The fish was, I didn't think the fish was fresh. I think it was frozen fish.
Yeah.
Again, my luck. The fries, the chips was good. The dipping was good. Coleslaw was also good. Overall, it was a decent experience.
I think that they have, like, in fish, like in the fried part of any food chain, they have stuff which is very, like, I'm not against eating fried food, but fried food is not healthy at all. If you it is like deep freezed things and they just fried it. So he had aloo tikki burger. I think those patties, they are very old in age, so I don't think fried food is good. But mine Indian taco, it is a good experience because they freshly marinated those chicken pieces. I think they have thigh and breast in it, so yeah, it was pretty good, very well marinated.
Yes.
And very juicy, flavorful, and the naan bread is also very fresh. So
Yeah.
I think mine is a 10 out of 10 for,
Yeah, I'll give
for
the
Indian taco.
India taco.
And talk about the other burger, bro.
Where's the beef? I was just finding the taste of beef in it, and I have no clue I'm eating beef burger, or like it no
was
taste
veg.
of beef in it.
Yeah.
I'm totally able to sense the veggies in it, so I
It
don't
tasted
think,
more
yeah.
like mushrooms.
Mushrooms, yeah.
Yeah.
Because they added the sauteed
mushrooms,
mushrooms and onions.
And I think in the
it.
patty they have mushrooms as well.
Yeah, in the patty they have mixed, like, sweet corn. I was feeling sweet corn in it,
Yeah.
and tomatoes.
It was a heavy
and
burger. It was
yeah,
a big burger.
But
it is like
with the
feeling-
taste, we were not satisfied, bro. But
yeah,
that
taste.
burger.
It is.
yeah.
I'm not able to find the beef taste in it, so I'll give 6 out of 10.
But mine aloo tikki burger was impressive. It was very nice. So after coming Canada, like, it was first time I was satisfied with a burger. So Try it once, bro. Yeah, it was nice, guys.
Yeah, I've heard about the Aloo Tikki burger. It's
Yeah.
very famous.
Aloo tikki, yeah, it is hot selling in Indian community. They have started it when the students came in, so
Okay.
they have started this Aloo tikki burger.
Yeah.
Because we used to have back home in India, we used to have Aloo tikki burger at McDonald's, but here there's no veg option in McDonald's, so I think they have started this to trigger that. And
Overall experience, I think you should try a couple of things. Definitely try the Indian taco. It's
Okay,
the
Indian
best.
taco,
they
yeah.
also have
It's the
shakes,
best.
but we didn't try it because it was cold outside. Next
Yeah.
time we will try the shakes and give reviews about that also.
and A&W also started, I think, veggie burger.
In next video we will
Maybe
definitely
we'll
go
And talk about its location. So it's located near
on 6th
Circle
Avenue.
K.
It's on 6th Avenue.
It's on 6th Avenue.
and
near Domino's.
Cotton Park.
Yeah, near
Cotton
Cotton.
Court.
Carlton Court, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you guys can come here and try
Yeah.
their food and
See you
make sure to
again
get the
in-
Indian taco.
See you again.
Thank you so much for watching our video, guys. Do subscribe and do share our video, and also leave a like.
And I hope you all like our video, and coming through we'll have some plans of going far from Prince Albert to give you a good food experience. So let's see what we have it in next video, but do like, subscribe, hit the bell icon for more videos like this.
And also comment, guys. Share your opinions. What we can work on better.
Or you can share that where we should go as well.
Yeah, you can also. Thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video.